What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here again with another video for you, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the best hardware wallets for staking and earning staking rewards in 2021. So stay tuned, you are not going to want to miss this one. Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the best hardware wallets for staking in 2021. There's a few different ones I want to go over, but before I jump into the content, I just want to give a quick shout out. I did just rewrite, completely updated for 2021, my brand new ebook, 7 Best Ways to Secure Your Cryptocurrency. I completely revamped, overhauled, and updated new content and material for this new ebook. So if you haven't downloaded my previous one, go ahead and download it down below, 100% free. Give you some great information, and I added some new things that are more relevant to 2021, as well as some of the original content. So go ahead, that'll be pinned right down below in the comments. So when we're talking about hardware wallets and staking, obviously staking rewards are a lot of the new coins, DeFi coins, Ethereum based and ERC20 tokens that have been coming out either recently or for several years now. And a lot of these have staking rewards. This is where you delegate, you take a portion of your funds, you add it to a delegation pool, and you get passive income rewards and crypto basically for free for contributing and securing the network. So obviously the safest way, and if you've watched this channel for any amount of time, you know I'm very pro hardware wallet, keeping possession of your private keys and making sure that it's offline. And now a lot of hardware wallets today will allow you to stake it using the hardware wallet, so you get the best of both worlds. You can delegate to a pool, and then you can also earn passive income while maintaining your private keys for the initial amount on your own personal hardware wallet, and then get those rewards deposited into your hardware wallet as well. So that's obviously the focus of what this is about today. So before I get into what the main ones that I personally recommend and use are, I want to give an honorable mention to the Trezor Model T. This is still a great hardware wallet. It's the second generation to the original Trezor 1. And the reason that this one gets an honorable mention and not fully lands on the list is it does allow you to stake both Tezos and Cardano. However, it uses third-party applications, meaning you can't log on using the new Trezor Suite or even the previous Trezor web app, and you couldn't log on and stake using that interface. It would require third-party integration with other third-party wallets, making it more complex, more room for error, and just simply hard to use and hard to set up. I was able to do it and figure it out because I'm technically savvy in that. However, it just simply didn't make it a good user experience, and anyone that's new to crypto or someone that just wants to easily do this, they couldn't do that with the Trezor Model T, and unfortunately they haven't updated much for that as well. And there's only 2 coins that are currently staking on the platform that give you any sort of instruction or help to do that via ADA Lite if you're using Cardano or you're participating in Cardano, or simplestaking.com, which is typically used for Tezos. So just wanted to give that as an honorable mention. Still a great hardware wallet, just really not the best for staking and setting that up and using it. The very first one that we're going to talk about here is the Lapel Titan. Again, if you've seen the channel before, you know that I'm a huge fan of this wallet. It currently, as of released wallets, as of shooting this video, is still my #1 wallet that I use and that I recommend, just because it's very secure, it's air-gapped, it's easy to use, and it's really no hassle, good quality wallet that I've had for almost 2 years now and haven't had any real issues or gripes with it. So that's why I recommend it and personally use it for storing my crypto. So that's a good wallet overall in the general sense, but they've recently added staking. So you can stake Atom or Cosmos, you can stake Tezos, and now you can stake DOT or Polkadot. This is something that no other hardware wallet as of shooting this video has the ability to do natively, meaning there are other hardware wallets where you can still use third-party services or wallets and connect it and do it, but this one is integrated natively into the application. Very easy to use, very simple. So that's something that's really excited, and I actually just started staking my DOT recently as soon as that firmware update allowed me to do that. And this is a very interesting and new prospect. So I really like Lapel Titan, not only for the user experience and the price point and the quality, but they are staying up to date and on the cutting edge of new coins being added to the wallet. And as I mentioned, this is the only hardware wallet as of shooting this video that allows staking Polkadot. The second wallet is the Ledger Nano X. Now, again, this is an overall good wallet from Ledger. I don't personally like using the Ledger Nano X except for coins that I'm about to go over in the staking process, just because the form factor, the user experience isn't that good in comparison to other wallets like the Lapel Titan. And it's just very difficult to use with a very small screen, 2 buttons, and personally, I just don't like it.
I don't like it.
Now, with that said, they have extremely good staking applications built into Ledger Live. And right now with Ledger Nano X, and I'll link some videos right up here that I've actually done going over on staking Algorand, Cosmos or Atom, Tezos, and then they also allow you to stake Tron, TRX. That's not a coin that I personally hold, but it does allow you. Now, these are natively built into Ledger Live, whether you're using the desktop application or if you're using the mobile phone application for iOS or Android. But it's just a few simple clicks to add these and to start delegating, choosing a pool, and earning rewards within a few days. Very, very interesting and very, very easy to use when you're using Ledger Nano X in terms of the software application. It literally is just 3 clicks and then you can start staking and earning rewards passively on that. Those are 3 coins that I personally use for the Ledger Nano X, and I don't use any other coins on that device simply because I only use the Ledger Nano X for staking rewards because it's that good and it's that simple to use. So again, overall, can't really recommend Ledger Nano X other than the fact that the staking rewards are extremely easy to set up, to earn, to use. So Ledger Live and Ledger Nano X is something that I've been a fan of in terms of staking rewards and setting that up very easily. So can't recommend that enough. I gotta hand it to Ledger for the staking rewards. They're staying on top of making it easy for everyday users to go ahead and do this. So the third and final wallet that I wanna talk about today is called the Engraved Zero. Now, this is a brand new wallet that technically hasn't been released yet. However, I've been in contact with some of the founders and some of the product team and making sure that they are going to be on top of releasing this with not only coins that everyone wants, a lot of new coins that are not only high in market cap, but are new to the DeFi space and aren't covered by other hardware wallets. But I was very clear in understanding and learning about what coins that they're planning on staking with. Now, as of release, it's very difficult when you're starting and launching a new platform to have support for all the different coins. It takes a lot of development, testing, certification, and things of that nature to roll it out. But I was able to confirm that with Engraved Zero, they are going to be releasing right off the bat DOT, Tezos, and Cosmos. All staking are going to be on the hardware wallet upon release, which is extremely exciting. As you've seen in the video I'm going to link up here, it's in one of my top 3 hardware wallets that I'm looking forward to getting, using, and trying myself in 2021. The other thing is that as soon as Chainlink allows for staking, it's not set up on the protocol yet, but when that does switch over to a protocol that you can stake and earn rewards, that is going to be one of the first wallets that's going to allow you to do it. Again, there's no release date or ETA on that. I just know that as soon as they're releasing it, they're going to be in communication with them and making sure that that is applied as soon as possible. So very, very exciting. So that's my video here on today for best hardware wallets for staking in 2021. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know which wallets you're using and if you're staking on any of the hardware wallets. And let me know if there's happens to be any other hardware wallets that I missed. Probably not. But go ahead and let me know down in the comments if there's any other hardware wallets that you use strictly for staking, and if it's difficult or if it's easy or what they can improve on. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. Go ahead and click at the top right here. I am gonna show you the video on how I stake my Atom and Cosmos with Ledger Nano X, step by step, very simple, and it goes through the whole process. So click here to watch that next, and I will see you in the next video. Crypto Renegade out.